Hi friends, behind me you can see it is the one of the longest rail route ever in our country. It is the Vivek Express. I am boarding here at yesterday night, though the night was a very darky night, so there was no light, so I can't took my video there. And I would like to share you some facts and figure about this particular train route, rail route. It is the one of the longest route ever in our country. It is running 4,286 kilometers at around 80 hours of journey in between. It is 55 stoppages are there, and across between several states like Assam, West Bengal, Odisha, Karnataka. Do some maintenance of this train. It is the toilet is over, and you can see the smell is going through all the coaches behind it when the train is running, and it is the toilet not usable. It is one of the longest train route and India's pride, that is called Vivek Express. And so it is the toilet condition which I am telling you. I would like to draw the attention of railway authority. Please. It is the sleeper coaches, and along with the toilets you can see the maintenance of the train. It is one of the longest train route, so it is running 2 hours late. It is at around 80 hours running time, and this is the condition. People, you can imagine the people coming from the starting point, that is our Kanyakumari, and here how they can experience it. So what I am showing you, it is the condition of the one of the proud rail route. This is Vivek Express. It is running from Kanyakumari Tamil Nadu and Dibrugarh, that is Assam, from one part to another part of the country. In between this, it is touches several major cities of the country, that is Chennai, Bengaluru, Kolkata, Guwahati, and several states also, as well as Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Odisha, West Bengal, and Assam. It's 55 stoppages there, and it is crosses 4,286 kilometer rail route. It is the longest route ever in our country.